Hello everyone. Today we are going to study chapter 18, area of trapezium of class 8 from the book called R.S. Agrawal. Find the area of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 24 cm and 20 cm and the distance between them is 15 cm. So what is given in the question? That parallel sides are 24 cm and 20 cm. The distance between the parallel sides means the height of this trapezium is 15 cm. So trapezium के एरिया निकालने का क्या फॉर्मूला होता है? हाफ इंटू सम ऑफ पैरेलल साइड्स इंटू distance between parallel sides. Okay, it means the height of the trapezium. Okay, so half into 24 plus 20 into 15. 24 plus 20 करेंगे तो 44 आएगा. Then into 15 written here. This 2 ones are 2 and here 22. 22 into 15 will be 330 centimeter square. So this is the area of trapezium. Find the area of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 38.7 cm and 22.3 cm and the distance between them is 16 cm. So what is the formula of area of trapezium? It is half into sum of parallel sides into distance between the parallel sides. So half into 22.3 plus 38.7 into 16. So when we add these two numbers, I'll get 61.0. So if I write 0.0 or not, it doesn't matter. Okay, so here now this 2 ones are 2 and 2 8s are 16. Why did I do this? Because 61 and 2 are not the factors of the same table. Okay, so now 61 into 8 is equals to 488 centimeter square, that is 488 centimeter square. The shape of the top surface of a table is trapezium. Its parallel sides are 1 meter and 1.4 meter and the perpendicular distance between them is 0.9 meter. Find its area. So bacha, what is given in the question? Sum of parallel sides, that is 1 meter and 1.4 meter. Distance is equals to 0.9 meter. Area of trapezium. What is the area of trapezium? Bacha, here this distance you will use the symbol h. Okay, because h is the symbol of height. Okay, so half into sum of parallel sides into h is equals to half into 1 plus 1.4 into 0.9, that is half into 2.4 into 0.9, that is 1.2 into 0.9, because here 2 ones are 2 and here 1.2. okay, so that's why we got 1.08 centimeter. And the area for trapezium is 1080 centimeter square if the length of its parallel sides be 55 centimeter and 35 centimeter. Find its distance between them. So what is given in the question? We know the sum of parallel sides, that is 35 centimeter and 55 centimeter. Area is given. We have to find out the height of the trapezium. So let's put the values in the formula. Bacha, in place of area of trapezium, we'll write 1080 is equals to, then formula half into 35 plus 55. Height is not given, so we'll write the symbol h over here. 1080 is equals to half into 35 plus 55 is 90. Okay, now in the next step, this 2 and this 90 will be cancelled out. We'll get 45. Now here bacha, we'll shift 45 from this side to the LHS side and we'll get 1080 by 45, and then we got the answer 24 centimeter, and that is the height of the trapezium. A field is in the form of a trapezium. Its area is 1586 meter square and the distance between them is its parallel side is 26 meter. If one of the parallel sides is 84 centimeter, find the other. So what is given in the question, bacha? In the question it is given that area of the figure is 1586 meter square. Distance between the parallel sides is 26 centimeter. Length of one side 84 centimeter. We don't know the length of other side, so we have denoted it with the symbol x. Now area of trapezium is equals to half into sum of parallel sides into h. 1586 is equals to half into 84 plus x into 26. So first of all bacha, this 2 and 26 will be cancelled out, we'll get 13. So 1586 is equals to 84 plus x into 13. Now here this 13 will be shifted to this side, we'll get 122. Now this 84 will shift to this side, 122 minus 84 is equals to x, that is 38 meter is equals to the length of the other side. The area of trapezium is 405 centimeter square. Its parallel sides are in the ratio 4:5 and the distance between them is 18 centimeter. Find the length of each of the parallel sides. Now look, Sum of parallel sides is equals to 4:5 ratio. Bacha, whenever ratio is given, always we will always add x. Okay, because we don't know the length, exact length, so we write x, like here 4x and 5x. Okay, so now let's put the value. 405 is equals to half into 4x plus 5x into 18. Now 405 into, which is this 2 and this 18 will be converted into 9. Now 4 plus 5, this 9x into 9. So this 9 and this 9, because multiplication we can do it. 9 9 is 81, we'll shift 81 here, we will get 5 is equals to the value of x. Okay, now it's not fully solved yet, because our one value was 4x, so 4 into 5, other value was 5x, so 5 into 5, that we got 20 and 25 centimeter. The area of trapezium is 180 centimeter square and its height is 9 centimeter. If one of the parallel side is longer than the other by 6 centimeter, find the two parallel sides. Bacha, what are they trying to say? They are trying to say that we don't know the parallel sides. What is the measurement? But we know that the length of the lower side is greater than 6 centimeter. So how will I write? I will write the first side as x and the other side as x plus 6. Okay, so let's put the values in the formula. 180 is equals to half into x plus 6 into 9. So this we can't simplify them, so we'll shift this to the other side. So here it's in division, it will be converted into multiplication. 2 division is equals to 2x plus 6. Now when we will solve this, we'll get the answer 17x. Okay, but that's not the final answer. X is equals to 17x and x plus 6 is equals to 17 plus 6, that is 23 centimeter. In a trapezium shaped field, one of the parallel sides is twice than the other if the area of the field is 9450 meters square and the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides is 84 meter. Find the length of the longer side of the parallel sides. Now bacha, here area is given, that is 945 meters square. Height is given, that is 84 meter. Length is given, that is x and 2x. Okay, now here let's put the values. Why did I write x? Because in the question they have given that the length of the other side is twice. Okay, so it means it's 2x. Now here x plus 2x will be 3x. Okay, and this 2 and 84 will be 42. So now when I will add these, it will be 3x. Now I'll shift this 42 to the other side and I'll get 225 is equals to 3x. Shift 3, I'll get 75 is equals to x, the value. The length of a fence of a trapezium shaped field ABCD is 130 meter and the side AB is perpendicular to each of the parallel side AD and side BC. If BC is equals to 54 meter, CD is equals to 19 meter and AD is equals to 42 meter, find the area of the field. So what's the answer, bacha? Perimeter is 130 meter, BC is 54, CD is equals to 19 meter and AD is equals to 42 meter. These are the things that is already given in the question. So first of all, we don't know the length of AB. Let's find out, because the perimeter is already given. So add rest of the side and subtract it from the perimeter. 130 minus 115 is 15 meter. Area of the field, that is half into sum of the sides plus into 15. Then we got 1 by 2 into 96 into 15. When I will simplify this, I'll get 48. 48 into 15 and the answer is 720 meters square. In the given figure, ABCD is a trapezium in which AD is parallel to BC. Angle ABC is equals to 90 degree. AD is equals to 16 centimeter. AC is equals to 41 centimeter. And BC is equals to 40 centimeter. Find the area of the trapezium. So, what are the things given in the question? These are the things given in the question. But we don't know the length of this side AB. So, by the use of Pythagoras theorem, we can find out the perpendicular side. Okay. Now here 41 square minus 40 square is equals to 1681 minus 1600, that is 81. But this square, when I'll shift this side, it will be converted into square root. So we got P is equals to 9 centimeter. Okay, now let's find put the value, because this is the height. Okay, we have to find out this type because this is the height of the trapezium. So put the values. 1 by 2 into 16 plus 40 into 9 and we got this 56 by adding 16 and 40. So this it will be 28. 28 into 9 is 252 centimeters square. The parallel sides of a trapezium are 20 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Its non-parallel sides are both equal, each being 13 centimeter. This and this. Find the area of a trapezium. Bacha, here, this is an important question. What? Because of what? In this, the parallel sides are not given. The non-parallel sides are given. So how will I find the area of this trapezium? So for that, from our side, we have to draw a line that is CL, that is perpendicular on the line AB, okay? And we have to draw a line CM that is parallel to the line AD, okay? So here we will, and we have to also write that in the answer that we are doing this construction work, okay? Now we got AMCD as a parallelogram, correct? Now here AM, this side, is equal to this side, okay? So we got the length here 10 centimeter. Now to find bacha MB, this side, what I will do, I will subtract it by the whole, correct? So I will do it like this. MB is equals to AB minus AM, right? AB minus AM, I'll get this side here. So here 20 minus 10, we got 10 centimeter. Now, bacha, when I will draw this perpendicular, it means I am dividing this side into half and half. I'll get 5 centimeter both the side, okay? Now here, CM is equals to DA is equals to 13 centimeter. Now, bacha, in triangle CMB, this is a isosceles triangle. Okay, now to find out, bacha, just I told you earlier, we'll divide it by half because that is the perpendicular. So we got here 5 centimeter. Okay, now we'll put the value of right angled triangle here. CL square is equals to CM square minus ML square. I'll get the value as CL is equals to 12 centimeter, sorry. So I got the value of CL, that is 12 centimeter. It means I got the height of the trapezium. Now let's put the values here. Area of trapezium is equals to half into AB plus CD into CL. Half into 20 plus 10 into 12. Half into 30 into 12. Now solve this. 2 and here 15 into 12, we got 180 centimeters square.